Welcome to Fairfield City Open Libraries How to Grow a Grasshead tutorial. You will need soil, grass seeds, a jar, glue, rubber bands, stockings, googly eyes. Take the stocking and roll it to the base and fill with 2 to 3 tablespoons of grass seeds. Then pack half to 3/4 cup of soil on top. Shape into a ball and tie a knot at the base. Cut any excess stocking off the base, but leave some, as this is how the grasshead gets its water. Shape a small nose out of the face and secure with a rubber band. Add 2 dots of glue on the grasshead's face. Then stick the googly eyes on. Add a smile with a black marker. Then take the grasshead and place it in the jar. Fill the jar with water. The excess stocking will pull the water up to wet the soil, allowing the grass seeds to sprout. Soil should be kept damp till the grass is fully grown. Trim the grass to your liking. You can dress your grasshead as you wish. Thank you for watching our tutorial.